All right, VV Nation, Ryan here, and welcome to the channel. Now, yesterday, the Fed did come out and say that they're going to continue their pause on interest rates. We did see the market react positive on that note. I'm looking at the major indices right now. The futures are up this morning. So therefore, I want to show you how we can utilize the VectorVest 7 system to find industries that are on the move. So in tonight's presentation, in just a couple minutes, I'm going to show you how to look for industries that are on the rise as of recent. So that way we can get early entries. And if we do get some green lights in the price column of the color guard, we can take advantage of these rising industries, hopefully in a blast off scenario. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. Now, the whole reason why I'm making this video is because a customer commented on one of the videos prior that when it comes to the top RT industries, right behind me, you can see it on the homepage here. The customer stated that once an industry reaches the top RT industries list, that momentum has already passed and the upside potential is already gone. Now, that may be true in some scenarios. RT does measure price momentum. With price momentum so high, sometimes you are reaching these companies at a high. However, a lot of times these industries do continue to rise into the future. Well, that being said, in tonight's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways we can utilize the VectorVest 7 system to find industries that are currently on the move. And because of the current market scenario, the last thing I'm going to show you is a search utilizing bottom fishing in rising industries. Now, if we are buying stocks in rising industries, that only adds more momentum to the stocks we currently own. Now, that being said, let's jump over to the Unis Search part of the program so that way I can show you these 3 techniques. All right, we're over here at Unis Search. Over on the left, you can see the search folders. Up right now, I do have Delta Search's industries open. Now, if you're not familiar with what Delta is, it actually looks at rate of change of a variable over a certain time period. So the 2 searches that we're going to focus on today does focus on RT, or relative timing. So this is giving us a sense how much RT has increased or price momentum of that industry increased over the last 5 days or 10-day period. So let's first run the 10-day RT Delta here. So I'll just click on this and hit run search. Now, as I scroll through these industries here, I see crypto stocks at the top of the list here, home, miscellaneous wares, building, steel, petroleum. We see another steel here. Looks like some utilities in the top of the list. So this is giving us a sense of what industries are currently working. And if we see here, if we look at their dollar change or even percent price change, we see that for the most part, they're still positive even as of today. So that momentum is continuing to go forward. Now, the next search I want to show you here is the 5-day RT Delta. If I hit run search here, now this is going to give me the industries with the RT that has increased the most over the last 5 days. So this is really giving me a sense of what's been working over the last trading week to go forward. Now, if we take a look at the list here, we see building, residential at the top of the list, retail, home furnishings, a lot of home, retail, and building appearing in this list here over the last 5 days. Now, in addition, if we take a look down at the bottom of the list, we are seeing steel. So we do see some overlap between the 5-day and 10-day RT Delta searches. Now, if you want to take these 2 techniques a step further, we can compare the 5-day and 10-day RT Delta winners to see if there's any overlap showing industries having that momentum to the upside. So if we remember from the 10-day RT Delta search, the building, residential, and retail home furnishings came in at the top of the list. So if you want to find stocks in these industries, VectorVest platform makes it very simple. Simply just right click on the industry itself and go to view stocks and industry group. Now, this list here will give you our top rated VST stocks for any industry that you select. Here we could see that Williams-Sonoma is at the top of the list, followed by Upbound and ARHS. Now, the last technique here that I wanted to show you is actually going to be in the bottom fishing folder itself. And it's right here, bottom fishing and rising industries. Now, if we take a look at the comment section here, it states this strategy finds good beaten down stocks that are in the 10 industries that have risen the most in price in the last 1 day. The stocks are sorted so that the highest VST vector, lowest RT stocks appear at the top of the list. So if I hit the run search button here, now, once the results come up here, for example, we take a look at cartoon studies, we got the symbol here, but then this column here, the 1-day industry, this lets us know that the industry has risen and by how much in the last 1 day. Now its 1-day price delta for this industry here is at 7.33%. Now if we scroll over to the right, we can see the industries here. We see media, movies at the top of the list, financial, crypto. We did see that in the 5-day and 10-day delta searches, some petroleum, real estate, financial again. So you can see that there is some overlap between this search here and the industries that you will find with the 5-day and 10-day RT delta search. All right, VV Nation, I hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation. Just to recap, I went over 3 techniques to find rising industries. The first 2 are going to be in the Delta Searches folder for industries itself, the 5-day and 10-day RT Delta. In addition to that, I did give you a bottom fishing strategy, being the search folder, bottom fishing and rising industries. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you found it informative, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Good night.
Hey VV Nation, one of the most important books that I've ever read in regards to the stock market was written by our founder, Dr. Bart Delito, the founder of VectorVest. The name of the book is called Stock Strategies and Common Sense. It will give you everything that you need to know about how the market works, the cycles, how to value stocks, and it's very well presented so that you can better understand and get a better understanding of how the market works. Folks, you simply need to go to www.vectorvest.com/YT book to get your free edition of Stock Strategies and Common Sense. Folks, you want to do that right now.